The 2013 Ford E350. Ford has maintained its level of success for E-Series by continually monitoring its customers' needs and maintaining a high level of quality, power and strength, spacious comfort, abundant and versatile cargo capacity. These have made E350 America's choice for personal and commercial vans over the past 3 decades and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, front air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, auxiliary audio input, intermittent wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.